here with Alex from AudioControl. Alex, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So the Bijou 600, it's a versatile bit of audio solution. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, this is a product we've just launched into Europe. It won the CEA Audio Product of the Year this year at CES in January in Las Vegas. Just an incredible piece of technology.
Yeah.
This is a two-zone amplifier that basically allows the installer to put this into a number of scenarios in the home, including extra zones, outdoor zones, television setups, in the rack solutions, and so on. What it allows for is a two-zone amplifier at 100 watts per channel at 8 ohms, 200 watts per channel at 4 ohms, and you can even operate it as a 400 watt monoblock if you really want to go for the whole gold of it. You have numerous inputs. You have 2 times digital inputs now, both optical coax, you have analog inputs, you have the ability to run a headphone out of here as well. You've got a 12-volt trigger, you've got a sub-mono out, which allows you to run a separate subwoofer, which you also have a crossover in here as well now. So you can actually sub the crossover out at 80 hertz. You've got a bridged mono out, so you can bridge these together. It's infrared controlled as well as RS-232, and that allows you then to have basically level control where you can adjust the inputs throughout the product, you can adjust the volume settings, right, and that is a really big feature for here. So it's like a preamp in a way that you can put into a television system where you perhaps have digital television out. As I said, you've got RS-232, you've got high pass, low pass filters, you've got gain controls across the whole amplifier. It's an incredible piece of technology.
Yeah, absolutely.
We've even thought about the installer, right, and actually put on the actual products. Exactly. So normally they're under here looking at it.
If you're at 6 a.m. install, it's probably fairly useful.
Definitely a good idea. And that goes to what AudioControl does. We work in the custom install industry, and this was designed by custom installers for their own projects. So this is a truly incredible piece of technology we're very proud of. So.
And the new Architect 2660 16 channels. And the Director amp, I mean, how does that sort of fit into the sort of growing interest in multi-room audio?
Well, we were the leaders and the pioneers, in fact, nearly 40 years ago in making good sound great in multi-room audio. So everything we've done is around 2-channel, 12-channel, 16-channel applications in the home to feed all of the audio throughout the home. We're known for that. We sell thousands of amplifiers that just make good sound great. So the 2 new amplifiers you mentioned, the Architect 2660 and the Director, are 2 new 2U amplifiers, so very small space, true audiophile amplifier technology, the ability to be able to actually route throughout the whole house the audio system. The Architect is a 2U standard, great sounding amplifier. The Director is a unique piece. It's a matrix as well, so it's an amplifier matrix, has DACs in there as well, and is 16 times 65 watts per channel, or 16 times 100 watts per channel, right? And it's completely network controllable, right? You can matrix between them, you can matrix throughout the whole home, through a yacht, through a mansion, or whatever the application
so
is.
It doesn't, it's not, you're not controlled by the space.
Exactly, and what's really important is it's not like many amplifiers today, just a chip amp. It really is just a real meaty, high performance, 5-year warranty amplifier on the market. So great sounding solution for sure.
Oh, that's great. Where are you guys based?
So we're based in Seattle. We have our engineering there. We manufacture in Seattle. We engineer there. We design there. We're not importing from the Far East and so on. We're really building it live in the US and then exporting it throughout the world. In fact,
American made.
American made by a British guy.
Exactly.
But great team of engineers definitely over there.
And I know that you guys sort of your distribution is fairly tight in the sense of you distribute solely to installers. I mean, how does that affect the installer, or how does it benefit the installer at the end of the day?
Well, that's a really important point. Everything we've done throughout our whole career has been designed for the custom install industry, and we're very protective about this industry. We only supply to the custom install industry. That helps us to protect the margins for our dealers. It helps us to provide great value for our customers as well, that they're supplying on a day-to-day basis. We're able to have experts and designers that work with some of the best custom install companies in the world in how we design products like the Bijou, you know, and products like the architect and the directors. So that's been a really important piece to us. We don't sell in retail, we don't sell on the internet. It really is designed for this channel. We believe in this.
You don't have any sort of, you've never sort of had any sort of long game of ever going in that direction?
No, certainly not with our amplifiers. I mean, it doesn't make sense for us. We have a great, very loyal customer base throughout the world now, right? So we're going to stick with that strategy. It works for us. So
how long are you in England for? Are you flying back tomorrow?
Came over for the show, obviously. We've had a great couple of days, actually. I have to say the team at Invision here have done a great job. Seen some family.
Is this your first year?
Actually, our second year with the team. We just started before the last show. This is our second year. I'm going to see some family before I go home, and then we actually head to New York for another show.
Okay, so, all right. So you're jet setting it. No, sounds good. Well, Alex, thank you for. I'll let you take that call. Thank you for.
Somebody's ordering a Bijou. How many?
Stats.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
That's great. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.